Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make stir fry pumpkin with egg. This one is a Thai style stir fry pumpkin and is super healthy, and you will know well. It's loaded with vitamin C and beta carotene and also other amazing stuff. For this recipe, use only a bit of the ingredients. For the basil, Thai basil, and also the main ingredient is pumpkin. So let's start with using the sharp knife. You have to cut the pumpkin and make to be the small pieces and remove seed and also the skin and cut the size as you like. Some people don't want to remove the skin. It would be fine. And also prepare the garlic. Use some 2 or 3 cloves. Heat your pan or your wok and then put your vegetable oil. But today I need healthy food. I just use for the water. Cook with the garlic. But for you, if you non prefer the healthy food, you can use a bit of the oil and then cook until the garlic is good smell. And then we're going to add the water until it's cover the pumpkin, because pumpkin is not easy to cook. And then we need to cover the pan and let keep it for 5 minutes. And now the pumpkin is cooked. You can see the color, or you can use fork to check it. And then we gonna put the 2 eggs. And then we're gonna scramble until it's set, and then mix in with the pumpkin. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of the seasoning soy sauce and a bit of the water for about half teaspoon of the sugar, and then cook it. Sprinkle the cilantro on top and then mix it well. This one will make very good combination between pumpkin, egg, and also the cilantro or the Thai basil. And then that is now it's ready to serve. It's very good if you eat with the steamed rice. So you can also add ground pork, beef, or tofu if you want to make it even more filling, which they do in Thailand sometimes. Just cook the meat first and then add the pumpkin and add extra for the sauce, and then you can get the other recipe. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube, and see you next time.